In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your website to Pinterest. By the end, your site will be verified so Pinterest can attribute your content correctly and unlock features like analytics and richer link previews. First, open Pinterest.com in your browser. Once you're on the Pinterest home screen, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where you manage your account and, importantly for today, connect your website. Inside Settings, find the option to link your website to Pinterest. You'll see a section related to website claiming or linking. Click the option that lets you link to Pinterest so you can start the verification process. On the website section, click Claim. This opens the verification choices. Pinterest gives you 3 ways to prove that you own your site, and you only need to choose one. The first option is the HTML tag. Click to copy the tag and paste it into the head section of your website's code. The head is the part of the page that loads before the content and usually contains metadata and scripts. If you use a site builder or CMS, look for a place labeled header code, configurable, statewide head, or custom code injection. Paste the tag there and save your changes so it publishes to your live site. If you'd rather not edit code, choose the HTML file option. Download the file Pinterest provides and upload it to the root of your website using your site's file manager or hosting control panel. The file needs to be accessible at the exact path Pinterest expects. The third option is a TXT record. Copy the TXT value and add it to your domain host's DNS settings. This proves ownership at the domain level. After adding it, keep in mind DNS changes can take time to propagate, so this method may require a short wait before Pinterest can verify it. After you complete one of those methods, click Continue back in Pinterest. You'll be prompted to enter your website URL in the field provided. Type your full site address exactly as it appears publicly, then proceed to the final step. When you're ready, click Verify. Pinterest will check for the tag, file, or DNS record you added. If everything is in place, you'll see a confirmation that your website is connected. If verification doesn't pass right away, give it a little time, especially for DNS, then try again. Also, make sure your site changes are published and that caching tools aren't delaying updates. That's it. Your website is now connected to Pinterest, setting you up for better visibility and more reliable performance insights.